This is called bird love. The birds are eating my seed. They love it. Hey guys, it's Grace, and just wanted to show you guys this real quick because look at all these birds. Like they just flew back there. There's these birds and I placed like seed all over the ground. And yesterday it was snowing. And look at the ground, guys. There's no snow on it. I'm just you guys surprised. And you can see the tablet right there. But yeah, just wanted to share with you that the birds kind of like love this little tree and there's ducks in the pond. And so you might be like, what are we looking at right now? We're looking at the window. What did you just say? You're looking out the window. Really? So this is like my feet, and it goes up. And that's just what I want to share with you real quick. So, hi guys. Bird love. In the comments say hashtag bird love.